Everyone, welcome back to our machine learning course. In the previous lesson, we learned that almost every machine learning dataset is stored as a two-dimensional array. We also learned about shape, size, and an n dimension and data type. But knowing that a dataset exists is not enough. Imagine you have a dataset worth 1 million students. Would you look at the entire dataset every time? No, right? Sometimes you only need one student data and sometimes only one column and sometimes the first 100 rows. Today we are going to learn how to retrieve exactly the data we need using indexing and slicing. Here we have some real world example. Suppose your principal gives you this data. Now imagine the principal asks you, can you tell me only Rahul marks here? Max, science here. Max, science and English. Now the principal asks you, Now the principal asks you, can you tell me only Rahul marks here? Would you read the whole table? No, right? Then the principal asks you, now show me the only science marks of every student 90, 82, 87, 95. And every time it will take much more time and it is too tough to look for the millions of data. Okay, millions of data set. It is too critical. This is exactly what indexing and slicing help us do. Here I have created a small data set for you by using Numpy. Okay, let us understand what we are looking at. Here I have created a small data set for you in the practical way. Yeah, this is the small data set for you. Okay, now let us understand what we are looking at. Okay, here each rows represent one student and each column represent one subject. Here these are rows and these are columns. Okay, this is extremely important because NumPy always works using number of rows and number of columns. Okay, now let us understand index positions. Here index positions, notice one thing. The row starts from 0 index. Remember 0 starts from row starts from 0 here and columns also starts from 0 index here. Okay, you have to remember this because it is more important in the machine learning. Okay, here now let us access one value here. Suppose we want Rahul science marks. What is the Rahul row here? 0, right? 0. And what is the science column here? 1, right? 0 comma 1. What is the output here? What is the Rahul science marks? 90, right? Now let us see in the practical way. 0 comma 1. Here we got 90. 90. Okay. Now let us see the Arjun max marks here. Arjun max marks. Wait a minute. Yeah, Arjun max marks. What is the Arjun row here? 0, 1, 2. And max marks? Max. What is the column here? 1, 0, 1, 2. 2 comma 0. What is the marks here? 92, right? Let us see in the output. 2 comma 0. 92. Okay. Now let us access a complete row. What? A complete row. Suppose we need all marks of Sneha. Instead of writing three separate statements, we write print students 3. What? Print students of 3. Let us see in the image. Wait a second. Sneha marks here. Sneha 0, 1, 2, 3 marks. We want maths and science, English. So we are accessing 3 here. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let us see in the practical way. Print students of 3. Yeah, we got 70, 95, 89. 70, 95, 89. Wow, it's amazing. Now let us access a complete column here. Now suppose the principal asks you, I only want science marks. Here something's new. Okay, what? Here something's new. This line looks strange at first. Let us understand it carefully. Okay, print students column comma 1. Okay, now let us understand it. Okay, here column means it will take all the rows and 1 means it will take only the column number 1. So here column means all rows and 1 means science row. 0 1. Okay, columns means all rows and 1 means only the science. Okay, only the 1. Now let us see in the practical way. Here what are the numbers? 90, 82, 87, 95. All rows, column means all rows and one column 0 comma 1. Here we want the output like this: 90, 82, 87, 95. Let us see in the practical way. Yes, we got the output here: 92, 90, 82, 87 and 95. Okay, now let us understand the important one: combining row and column. Okay, row and column slicing. Now let's retrieve first 3 students here, only max and science. Let us see in the image, let us see in the picture here, max and science. Here if I want um students, wait a second. Yeah, here I have taken the example: students 0 colon 3 comma 0 colon 2. It means it is 0 colon 3, it is entire rows. 0 colon 2, it is entire column. Here 0 means it is the starting of the row. Here 3 means it is the ending of the row. Okay, here 0 means it is the starting of the column. Here 2 means it is the ending of the column. Okay, now let us see the output here. Yeah, we got the output here: 0 colon 3, 0 colon 3. Let us see in the image. Okay, 0 colon 3, it means row. 0 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, here we got an output: 0 colon 2, 0 1 2. Here 3 means, now you have a doubt. Now you might ask me, sir, here you have taken 3, but here only 2. 0 1 2 means it will skip the last one. Okay, here only 2. 0 1 2. Okay, now I already made a small project for you. You have to you have to perform this all operations here. Print only the third student marks here. Third student means 1 2 3. Third student marks here: 85, 86, 90. Print all the science marks here. Science marks. Print only max and science marks here. Okay, and here, and this is the most important one. Here the commoner beginner mistakes here. Here the mistake one is confusing rows with columns. Here this is the syntax here. And mistake 2, forgetting index starts with 0. It is the most important one. Okay, here the mistake 3, thinking the stop value is include. What? Thinking the stop value is include. It is never included. Okay, what? It is never included. Okay, then I hope you understand. In the next lesson, we will learn NumPy mathematical operations and broadcasting. I hope you understand, and please support me and do subscribe. Thank you.